Hello guys, today in this video we will talk VASA gym, VASA fitness membership cost. How much money you have to pay if you want to join their membership. So as you know, they have different locations. So their locations and their membership fees, it depends on your location. But in most of the locations, their membership fees is almost same, okay? So you can see these are the terms and plans like basic, they have fitness, they have a studio. If you want to take any kind of basic plan, then you need to pay like $10 per month and access to one club. Only you can visit only on your home club. And if you pay for fitness, then you can access their all clubs, premium amenities and some group classes also. If you go with the studio, then the unlimited access all clubs and premium boutique style classes, plus exclusive perks and discounts. So best thing you can do, you can take their studio plan, and there is no annual commitment right now. So these offers may be changed, but right now, as current today I'm shooting this video, there is no annual commitment as they are mentioning, okay? So there is one more thing, that is like if you want to transfer your fitness membership, there are some concern like in some users they have complaining like they charge $100 while canceling or while moving their while transferring their membership. So you need to ask some questions before taking any kind of membership. You need to ask why some of the user is complaining like they are charges $100 on their account. So you need to keep this thing in your mind. Please clear this thing also, okay? So what are the charges of cancellation and what are the charges of you can say like moving your membership, okay? So this is the information. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care. Hopefully this video will helpful for you.